Hey, shout out to my boy Lookout Racing.
Yeah.
Fuck with him.
Yeah.
Feel me?
Yeah.
Look out.
Y'all see it? What's the name of these two Mustangs finna?
This is Ransom new. That's
Mighty Mouse.
Mighty Mouse.
Okay. And where they from? Where you know either one of them?
We from Southern Maryland.
Southern Maryland?
So we gonna see how mighty that mouse is.
Okay. Man, let me see where these other people from, man. I'm trying to see who with Mighty Mouse.
Who with Mighty Mouse?
Yeah, let me see where he from, man. I don't know nothing about. Hey, look out, man. I'm trying to see where Mighty Mouse from.
Carolina.
Oh, it's from Carolina, y'all.
Oh yeah.
What happened?
Hold on. Charlie, hold on.
Oh, you seen that high gear?
Yes, sir.
Hey, well, what?
That bitch around talk to me.
Yeah.
Hey, shout out to my boy Lookout Racing.
Yeah.
Fuck with him.
Yeah.
Feel me?
Yeah.
Look out.
Well, y'all see it? Left lane for the win. It's running, y'all. Ooh. It looked like that was an upset.
He won't slow when you lose. He won't slow when he lose.
No, he don't. He's steady getting fucking paid.
He won't slow as hell when he lose. But when he win, he be the fastest motherfucker around here.
I'm gonna tame you for the night.
No, you can't tame me. I'm betting that team.
I'm gonna tame you.
I'm betting that motherfucker tonight.
I'm gonna tame you.
Okay, Jamie coming up now. Who you like? I like Jamie. I love Jamie. Some guy from out of DMV.
race when Keisha wins. Golly. Cowboy said if there's something wrong with it, they'll fix that, mom. Right lane for the win, y'all. Left line sound like he got a way bigger motor, man. Hey. Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle, the one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too. Look out, look out.